Yeah, I'll just let it sit there for a while. Fish are pretty sluggish this morning. It's just a slight little tick. Not a big flatty. Oh, flathead.
Bloody?
Not real big. Maybe just legal. We'll just give it a check. Have a look. Beautiful little colouring on it. Ended up being a 38, the flatty. And then my red belly rod, which is 2 to 4, 7 foot, medium to light, and my Seamar size 30 reel, as in the Akuma one, and it's got 4 pound. No, actually it's 6 pound 4X platypus on it. Great little outfit. Using the little 1/4 ounce blade again. I'm pretty sure I got another flatty. Yep. Not real big, on the same blade. This one's the undersize. It's good to see them getting a few on the little blade, a 1/4 ounce blade. TT Switchblade with UV on it. Really great little colour. Oh, only a small flatty. So we'll let him go. Right, still flicking the same blade around, haven't changed colour. Actually this might be, I thought it was a brim. I think the way it's working, it might be a trevally. No, completely wrong, it's a brim. Not real big. Oh, it caught on the little 1/4 ounce Switchblade with UV. Right, maybe it's 25 legal, but no. Oh. Yeah, 25 and a half to the tip. Very small.